Okay, welcome back everybody. So I just got here to my to my hunting spot. So we'll see if I'm gonna be able to see something today at least. Okay, but today's choice of weapon, I'm bringing my 870 20 gauge shotgun. Alright guys, so before I start, let me see if I can do this. Okay. Okay. I don't know if this can make any difference, but you know what? Might as well. This is a activated charcoal, so it should be good for your skin. It's weird, but whatever. I don't know. You know what? Hold on. Let's put some goatee. Yeah, boy. I don't think it's gonna show up. Okay, so I'll be right back. Alright, so safety first. Again, always put your safety on first. Going in the tree, up in the tree, gotta make sure safety first is always there.
A few moments later.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please, don't mind the background noise, but this part here is where the first dough was put down as well. I don't know what happened with my GoPro, but it starts acting weird, and I sort of run out of battery. But I took a shot there, and then that dough actually went down. But okay, so 10 minutes later, the rest of the herd was still in there. I'm trying to go down, but they wouldn't go. So I was like, you know what? I'm just taking another, just taking another dough since you're limited to two. So you could see on that, where I dropped the other one, the dough is still there, and again the camera starts acting time lapse, and I don't know what happened anymore. So there's the rest of the deer. They were just investigating what the heck happened to the other and why she's all of a sudden sleeping. Okay, so she's taking a dirt nap, by the way. And then there it is. So there's another target doe that I've been trying to chase for the longest time. I think at least 3 years, and I was finally able to end that misery for her, because she always busts me every time I go there. So when winter time is, I guess, the best time to get those pain in the ass doe. The owner's order is to get them all, because as you can see, this is a farmland, and they destroy pretty much everything on this property. But I try to be as educated as much as I could when it comes to hunting, and this is what happened. All right, so this part here is where I took the second shots. I think it's about 10-15 minutes later. As you can see, she went down right away. She didn't suffer, so it was a clean shot. Alright, so look at this, guys. That's wet to business. Look at business. Oof, look at this. That's a nice mature doe too. That's a nice size doe. Nice doe. Holy crap. She is my target doe. Holy freak. Oof. She's heavy. Let's just pull her out of here. Buckshot did it. All together. Whew. Heavy. How do you drag this out? All right. I'm gonna get my truck. All right, be right back. So how to call my friend. Just want to say, Joe, we did it. Oh man, we did it. Okay, be right back, guys. So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna continue our kill and cook or shoot and cook portion of the hunt. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I let this sit overnight on a vinegar and salt. I'm gonna add water on it. I'm gonna start boiling the meat. Okay, so I'll be right back. So there it is. I already fired up the the oven. So now just have to put some bay leaves on there. Okay, don't forget to put the bay leaves. Be right back. Okay, so let's just add the bay leaves, and then let's see what happened. So we're just gonna keep boiling it, make sure that all the stinks is out of there, and we'll go from there. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye. Guys, I forgot to tell you, I'm also gonna put some whole pepper in there because we're just trying to boil it. Get the stink out of the the meat. So that should be good enough. All right, just let it sit, let it boil, and we'll see what happened later on. I'll see if I can boil this for like an hour or two. Just make sure it's cooked, and all the unnecessary taste is out there. Okay. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye. So just quick update. See when I start boiling it, the lungs expanded. So just bear with me till it finished boiling. I'm gonna lower down the temperature, and then I'll just let it I'll just let it boil. We'll cook it good. Okay. So, there it is. It's cooking. Let's just keep boiling it. Yes. Okay, everyone. The meat is now cut. All the ingredients are ready. You gotta cut it the same way you cut the meat. Here it is: the red pepper, carrots, and then also the garlic, and also the onions. So I don't use any fancy stuff to put all the ingredients together. I just use the same thing, where I boiled the meat from, and then that's it. So I'm also going to use this this MSG, a little bit of MSG, bay leaves. All right, let's try to start putting them together. All right, just a little bit, not too much. More bay leaves. Right, the garlic, not too much, and then of course the whole pepper, all the pepper in there. There you go. That's it. Put them all together like that. Same with, you put them all together. Put a little bit of vinegar, right? And then about a tub full of water. Then you just start boiling it. Okay, be right back. Before I forgot, guys, I'm also putting some soy sauce in there. Not much, just enough, just like so. All right, and then I already put the water. It looks like you needed more water and vinegar. The more the merrier. Not really. Just just enough. All right, and then I'll get more water. Just bear with me, guys. Okay. As you see, we're just doing this by eye measurement. And then start stirring. Just stirring. I haven't turned on the fire yet. Just want to make sure this is good. And I'll add, you know what? I'm gonna add more pepper to this recipe. There you go. Doesn't hurt. So we're gonna boil this for an hour, and then we'll keep you guys posted. All right. So that's about it. for now. I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, so the last step that we're going to do is start sauteing the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so this is part of my ingredients. So this is tomato paste. You can use tomato paste or tomato sauce. Liver spread. And then you're going to need this achuete. What is that in English? Annatto seeds. Ground annatto seeds. Also, you're going to use, of course, garlic. Onion. And then you're gonna put that last because that's hot pepper. I don't know how what's your tongue capacity when it comes to hotness. Okay, so and then I'm gonna use this radish. I'm gonna mix it up later. But first thing first, we're gonna put some oil in it. Yeah, that should be good enough, right? And then just start sauteing. Alright, so let's fire up the the fire or the heat. There it is, guys. I already strained it. Really fresh. That's what man. It smells good already. Actually, I tried it. It tastes so good already. But imagine mixing this all together in one in one pot. I don't know what I don't know what else is good. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'll start sauteing. Okay. Okay, let's pour the garlic first. Okay. Let's try this too. Onions. And then we're gonna cut this open and then we're gonna pour some in there. Be right back. Alright guys, so I'll start pouring the ground annatto seeds. Not so much, just like that. Some people may ask, how do I know if it's the right amount of mix I'm putting in there? I didn't really care how much I put in there. I just kind of look at it like I'm an expert, but I'm not. Alright, so look, it's sauteing. Then we're going to put next is the tomato paste and then the liver spread. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I also fill this, I'm washing the can basically of the liver spread and then pour it on the saute pan. And then I'll just make sure that the consistency are actually good. Okay? Look at that. So let me just turn up the heat a little bit. Alright, so I'll be right back, guys. Alright, so the next step will be pouring this meat or sauteed stuff in there all together. Alright, look at that. Look at that. Alright, let me just clean that up, okay? Be right back, guys. Alright, guys, now that it's mixed, it's ready for the radishes. Okay? Or labanos in Tagalog. Alright, it's looking good, guys. I may have to pour a little bit water in there just to put extra sauce or juice so it doesn't look that dry. But it's pretty much done once I put the radish in there. Alright, be right back, guys. Okay guys, just a quick update. This is what it looks like. This is what Bopis look like, alright? So we'll just have to wait 10-15 minutes for it to let it simmer, and then it's it's ready to eat. Alright? And that is your venison or deer lung Bopis. Alright? Talk to you guys later. I'll show you how to eat it. Alright, bye-bye. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished product of the deer lung and heart. Okay, so there it is. It's called Bopis or Bopis, properly pronounced it Bopis. Okay, so there it is. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll try to eat it now just to make sure that it tastes good. Of course it tastes good because I made it. Can't beat it, guys. You gotta try it. So, alright. That's all for now. And then I'll see you for more videos. Okay? Bye.